Hi everyone! Thank you so much for being here. And for those who haven't known me yet, I'm Bian Love Lux. I love to talk about lifestyle, fashion, and of course luxury. And of course, my specialty is handbag, guys. I really love handbags and shoes as well. And of course, fashion. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. And of course, hit that notification bell so you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. And in today's video, guys, is so interesting because we're gonna unbox here another unboxing video. So in the past few weeks or even months, I keep doing unboxing video, but this one is quite unique, guys, because this is secondhand and this handbag is very rare and very unique. So stay tuned until the end of the video, guys, because I have a lot of revelation with this handbag. Of course, first we will unbox, and then I will show you the dimensions, specification of the handbags, the features of the handbag, and of course later on I'm gonna style it with you guys, and of course the price and stuff like that, and how I score this handbag. So by the way, this handbag is so rare because I checked the website. It's only two in a different, it's available in the website, but actually one is already sold out, and the one that I got is actually the best deal ever. Without further ado, we're gonna open this handbag. So obviously this is from Louis Vuitton. So when I bought this handbag, it's already in this kind of condition, guys. So with bags, of course, and inside you can see we have the strap right here inside. So yeah, later on we're gonna tackle with that strap, and here is the handbag. So for those who haven't watched the past shopping vlog that I have, so it's already in there, so I think you already have a hint. But we have the dust bag here, says Louis Vuitton, guys, and tada, this is really unique handbag. So I have here the Louis Vuitton bottle holder, guys. So it's it's only a bottle holder, but for me, I consider this one as a handbag, and I will use this one as a handbag. So this is how it looks like. So it's in canvas and in the Mir Azur print. And then you have the vachetta leather, gold hardware, and then you have zipper here. So actually, the dimension of the handbag is 32. The height of the handbag is 32 cm, and then the circumference is 10 cm, guys. So this is how it looks like. The features is when you, this is the front. You have here I don't want even to to butcher the French, guys. So that is how it looks like over there. Yeah. And then here it's like a cylinder bag, and here we go. So and then in the bottom it just looks like this, and then here as well looks like that. And then you have here the zipper, two zipper, which you can open like this. Yeah. And then here you have two D-rings where you can attach the strap. And the other good thing with this one is you have also here a D-ring. So it's either you can have the handbag. We just close it first so that you can see it properly from the outside. So you can actually do like this, standing up, or you can also do like this as well. So it's very versatile, guys. And actually it goes with a strap, so everything is in here. So the strap actually is really nice because the height of the strap is just perfect, guys, because mostly the straps are too long. So I'm gonna use this strap for my pochettes, guys, because this is so perfect, and my other canvas handbags as well. So this one is very useful. So this is one of the reason why I like this handbag, because the strap is detachable, which I can reuse for my other handbags, guys. So the condition, so perfect. The vachetta is so perfectly honeyed, guys. It's look at that. It's no scratch at all. It really looks almost brand new. But what I like about them, because it's stored for a while in the closet, so I think this one is vachetta perfectly. So this is how I like my vachetta to be with. I don't like the vachetta with the brand new handbag, because sometimes they are so white, so pale. So when we open inside, I'm gonna show you inside, guys. Look at this. It's in beautiful, I think this is in leather, you know, the a cooler, this is the material, but I think it's in leather, so to protect, I think, from the water outside. And then here you have the date code right here, the date code right here. So I think this one is from 2019. So this one is produced 2019 actually. And inside, perfect, no scratch at all, perfect condition. And then here you have here the Louis Vuitton. Yeah, look at that, it's so perfect. And then here inside is also do the care card, so it's still like everything is intact in this bag, guys. With the condition of the handbag, actually the strap I showed you earlier, it's almost perfect condition. I don't see any watermarks or something like that. And you know, again, like, you know, I love the vachetta, which is already like treated and it's already in honey color, so I really love that. The body of the handbag, of course, it has like a little deformation. Maybe it's like, you know, only the storage. So like, you know, in the long run, when I put stuffing in there, like, you know, it will be like, you know, in really perfect condition. But then the zipper, the hardware, no scratch at all. I already checked that one, no scratch at all. The vachetta here is also perfect, no watermarks, no scratch. And the canvas itself is really perfect, guys. No really sign of usage like this. It's so perfect, no marks at all. It's like, you know, almost in a perfect condition as what I said. So even the interior, the same thing as well, you know. And with the pricing with this one, so I have like 2 websites that I have checked before. So like, you know, we have here the Jolly Closet. I think it's like a UK secondhand store. So actually it's like, you know, retail there for 1,855 US dollar. And another one, you have like a website called Gossip, which is already sold out. This one is already sold out in that website, guys. And then it's retails for 1,220 US dollar secondhand. And actually, guys, when I bought this one, it's really good deal because I only paid 900 US dollar for this one. So I believe I really have a good deal with this handbag. So let's find out what fits in this handbag, guys. So number one, since this one is a bottle holder bag, so let's try with a bottle of wine inside. So I have here like a wine. So let's find out if this bottle of wine can fit in. Perfectly, guys. So I think this bag is really made for a wine bottle. Look at this. So the wine bottle is perfect right there. So and it can keep the wine cold inside. So like, it's so perfect, guys. And actually you can fit something else in there. So I think like with a water bottle, and then if you only go out, and then like, you know, there are some people that just like, you know, like to for example, if you are in the party or in like a picnic, so it's quite nice to bring this one for a picnic. And then of course, like, you know, we will try if I can squeeze in a phone inside, because that is like, you know, what we need if we're gonna go for a picnic, right? So we just like a wine, and then like, of course, like, you know, a cell phone. Let's try if we can squeeze in the cell phone. So this one, by the way, this is the iPhone, the bigger size of the iPhone. Actually, guys, it really fits in there inside the iPhone. And I think we can, let's try if I can do the key clay inside. We can squeeze in the key clay inside. If not really, guys, so maybe we can just put in a card holder inside. So that's it. So yeah, you can carry this one like, you know, in a picnic, something like that. And tada! So another thing, if I gonna use this one as a document holder, guys, I'm also thinking to make this one as a document holder. So let's set that one aside. So I have here a couple of documents. So this is my other purpose why I take this handbag, because like, you know, I don't have a document holder. So with this one, we just like make the document like round like this. So like maybe this one is about like 15 pieces of paper, and we just squeeze in inside. So, and then close it, snuggle. We can close it properly. The only hiccup with this one, guys, because it's like rounded, right? It's a cylinder. The zipper is a little bit difficult to close in and out. So yes, we can use this one as a document holder as well. So if we're gonna use this one, because like there are some countries that they really like to bring water bottle, so we can do also this one as a water bottle holder. So I have here a water bottle from Kate Spade. So this is how it looks like. So we will try it inside perfectly, snuggle in there perfectly. At the same time, I can put my wallet in here. I have a Zoe wallet right here. I can put a Zoe wallet right here. can still fit. And of course, our cake clay. And of course, we will try to squeeze in my cell phone. So by the way, guys, my iPhone 12, the Pro, the small one, is in what I'm using right now. So this is the iPhone 13, so it's quite bigger. So actually, yeah, if I use my original phone, this one have more space, guys. So like that, fits perfectly. Chadan! So yeah, I'm so happy because this is really multi-purpose. Another thing, I'm gonna use this one as an umbrella holder. Yeah, because like, you know, I think in Singapore or something like that, or even if you are in UK, so it's always rain or something like that. So this is so useful as well. So let's take out umbrella. It's quite small umbrella actually. Slide it in. Perfect. And then, like, you know, and then we can add on, like, you know, my wallets again. All my necessities can fit in here. Oh my God, guys, it snuggles everything. It fits everything. So it's really, this one is really my shopping bag. And then I have my wallet over there. And of course, let's squeeze in my cell phone. Let's squeeze in my cell phone in there. Oh my gosh, it's really like, you know, can accommodate all my necessities in this one together with the umbrella, guys. So this is so magical, it can fit a lot. Okay, let's style this handbag, guys. So wait, guys, I changed with a polo shirt and just like a slack. So this is how I gonna style the handbag, by the way. So I wear this one casually. So standing up, the handbag looks like this to me. So that by the way, I'm 5 feet 1 inches. So like, you know, I'm just a petite girl. And this is the handbag looks like to me, standing up. So look at this, guys. It's so unique. You know, it's so cute. It looks like this. And of course, crossbody. This is not really convenient for a crossbody this way, like that. I don't use this one crossbody this way. But if I want a crossbody, I will just move the strap here on the other side. And actually, guys, this is the shortest. Not really, it's the second one. So I'm gonna have like this crossbody. It looks like this. This is how the handbag looks like on me, crossbody. So cute, right? And then another way, do like that. And then if I want it like shoulder bag this way. Oh, the handbag looks like so unique. There's like, you know, no other handbag that I've seen that it's really similar to this one. And we can also do, if you do like how, okay, like this. Can do like this behind you. Yeah, do like that. So cute and so chic. Look at that, guys. So yeah, it looks like a knapsack actually. Yeah, like that. So this is how the handbag looks like to me, guys. What do you think about this handbag, guys? Do you like it, or like, you know, you hate it? Comment down below, guys. So thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for watching, and till the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.